Hey everyone, imagine walking into your house after a brutal day and your robot roommate has already brewed your favorite coffee and drawn you a bath. This isn't sci fi, it's 2025, and these machines are becoming our coworkers, therapists, and even our friends. The question is, are we ready to live with them? Today, we're diving into the future of human robot coexistence. This is not about distant dystopias. It's about today. Robots have left the factory floor and moved into our homes, offices, and hospitals. The real story is about us, how we work, love, and hold each other accountable in a world where machines think for themselves. First, let's explore your 2025 robot roommate, who is far more than just a vacuum. Remember when home robotics meant a Roomba bumping into walls? In 2025, that's ancient history. Take Lovot from Japan. Its only job is to be loved. It warms up when you hug it, learns your face, and even sulks if you ignore it. Or Sony's Aibwa, the robotic dog that develops a personality based on how you treat it. These are quasi companions, not just tools. The real game changer is proactive assistance. Your robot knows from your heart rate, voice tone, and schedule that you're tired. It messages your speaker, rough one today, coffee's on, bath's running, want the lights dimmed. Mind blowing, right? But also a little creepy, because to do this, your robot is watching everything your habits, biometrics, and mood swings. Next, let's explore how robots are transforming our jobs. This isn't robots stealing jobs, it's robots changing jobs. Free industries are getting hit hardest in 2025. In manufacturing, smart factories use cobots for precision tasks. A 2024 MIT study projected 2 million manufacturing jobs gone by 2026. However, new roles are exploding, like robot fleet managers. In logistics, Amazon warehouses use robot swarms, and sidewalk bots handle last-mile delivery. Customer service sees AI receptionists handling 80% of basic inquiries, with bookkeeping and research also automated. The smartest companies are building hybrid teams, where humans guide cobots to lift heavy parts, combining robot strength with human judgment. This creates an upskilling imperative, focusing on new skills like data literacy, AI fluency, creativity, and empathy. Amazon is investing billions in retraining workers because a human who can manage 50 robots is worth 10 who cannot. So, jobs are evolving. But what happens when these bots mess up? This brings us to ethical algorithms and the question of liability. Scenario: an autonomous bot dodges a dog and hits a kid. Who's at fault? The coder, the company, the sensor maker, or the bot itself? This is the accountability gap. Traditional laws work for toasters, not for machines that decide. Europe's AI liability directive flips the burden. Companies must prove their AI wasn't at fault. Germany even floated e-personhood for robots. As ethicist Joanna Bryson says, robots are property. Hold the humans accountable. The real question is how we bake our values into code. Ethics matter because these bots aren't just in factories, they're in our hearts. Let's examine the social fabric of human-robot interaction. Therapeutic robots are lifesavers. Paro the seal reduces agitation in dementia patients by 60%, acting as a social lubricant. Kids with autism benefit from robots like Miko, which patiently repeat lessons and teach social cues without judgment. However, we risk preferring perfect robot friends to messy human ones, as Sherry Tickle warned. Algorithmic bias is terrifying. A companion bot trained on biased data might ignore a black patient's pain cues or reinforce stereotypes. Solutions include mandatory bias audits, transparent data sets, and always human oversight. So, where are we headed? By 2035, expect networked robots sharing knowledge globally and 400 million care bots easing elder crises. Robots will be building solar farms, optimizing agriculture, and tutoring kids one-on-one. The bottom line: robots aren't an alien invasion, they're mirrors. A biased bot is our bias coded in. A caring bot is our empathy amplified. The future of human-robot coexistence isn't about what they become. It's about what we choose to be. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into tomorrow's tech. Drop a comment. Would you let a robot anticipate your needs? Thanks for watching. The future's here, and it's watching us back. See you next time.